Pulling this 543 valve out. Got my 05 head gaskets, and hopefully just a flywheel knock. I miss driving this truck. Just finished the body lift on it just so I can get the motor out a little easier. So, you know, 11th gens, no room right there to get a motor out. That's when Ford pulls the cab, make it easier, but the body lifted it. Lifted truck problems. That motor mount was put on when I lifted the truck like 4 or 5 years ago. Look at that one. All them horse torques. Well, finally got the 5.4 out. See what the knock was. And head gaskets. I know it needed head gaskets. It was building pressure in the coolant system. So, see what this oil looks like. Well, it ain't milky. Knock was not a flywheel knock. Pressure washed it before I start pulling it apart. Phasers are locked out, so it ain't cam phaser knock. Well, tear it apart tomorrow. The water's probably from when I pressure washed it. But did find this at the bottom of the oil pan. It's like aluminum. All the pistons look good, at least from the bottom side. Don't look like nothing's broke for where that piece of aluminum came from. I've then spun it over a couple times and ain't found nothing. I don't know where the aluminum come from. I do know I need timing chains. I don't imagine that's where the knock come from. I've had worn out timing chains before and they've never sounded like that. I don't know where a piece of aluminum come from. Ain't nothing in the pickup. All the oil pumps there. Ain't nothing broke off. Unless it was my old timing chain cover that I cracked. But I don't think that would have been it. I think I just cracked it. I don't remember breaking the chunks off. I don't know. Keep tearing it down. Piston broke. I don't know where the rest of it went, but you can see the rings on that one. That whole side's gone. Haven't found nothing out the ordinary for a blown head gasket. So, not too sure about that, but it's building pressure in my coolant system, like bad. But I think I found my knock. Pretty sure. Shouldn't be doing that. Unless just the head gasket just wasn't holding. It's the one off this side. It's the first one I took off. No water and no oil up here. Take the other side off. See them billet timing chain guides. Cam lobes look good. Well, let's take the front off. Got one more. See what the inside of this looks like. See what them MMR billet timing chains look like. Guides. Suppose they got a lifetime warranty. And replace the actual guides with the plates itself. Well, just gonna take them all out. So they wanna fall out. I'm just holding it. It's the gasket on the bottom. tired of buying plastic guides. Spent the money on some billet ones, and they ain't broke since. This part's the actual chain runs on. You can buy replacements of them, but that part, it's lifetime warranty on them. This side's a factory motor mount. There's 2 studs that go there. It ripped them. This one was replaced when I put body lift on. It's in one of my previous videos. But it is shot. So I'm pretty much going to end this part of the video with getting this piston out. Got my new piston in yesterday. Well, pistons. Might be buying a set of bearings. Crank looks good, but a little worn. But like I said, I'm gonna end this video with me getting this piston out. I ordered a new piston from Jegs. I swear I can't win the lottery or win scratch offs or nothing, but if I order car parts, I win on them. Just like with the shock relocators with that on the 65. I ordered one and they sent me a whole case. I ordered 1 piston, they sent me 5. I don't know how they get 5 out of it. I don't know what runs 5 pistons, but I ain't gonna complain. I may end up needing them. I bought rings, put new rings in it on all the pistons. Crank looks good, but all the rod bearings look like they've gotten a little hot. So we'll be buying rod bearings. I plan on pulling one main cap off, checking it, see. See the carnage? Let's see the carnage. All the rings look good, now I'm broke. I got new rings coming. Whole side gone. Where's my flashlight? Let me get a paper towel. Like this cylinder out. I can tell the cylinder looks pretty good. Like it didn't damage it at all. Guess I got pretty lucky. Sorry, trying to get light in there and run the camera at the same time. No damage to the cylinder wall. A little bit right there. May hone them since I'm putting new springs, and all the pistons. So, see y'all on part 2.